This is the Delray by DR Horton, one of the most popular floor plans here on the Space Coast, and it's been rapidly growing in popularity, not only here in DR Horton communities, but in the new construction scene in general in Palm Bay. So today we're gonna go take a look and see what the hype is all about. So let's start off by looking at the specs on how DR Horton has this home actually listed, and then I'll give you my opinion on what I feel this home actually is. As you can see, DR Horton lists the Delray as a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom with a den, coming in at 2,034 square feet. It does have a standard 2-car garage. Now, in my opinion, this is really just a 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom home. But as we work our way through there, I'll give you a little bit more context as to what I mean in my opinion. I'm also gonna give you some more information on what you can expect if you're gonna be buying new construction with DR Horton compared to what you're gonna see here in the model today. Before we head inside, there are a few things that we need to cover. Some of these things are going to be community specific. And for context, we are in Serenoa at Cypress Bay West here in Palm Bay, Florida. Serenoa is gonna consist of the Freedom Series by DR Horton. And DR has made some changes in what they're offering in the Freedom Series compared to what we're used to seeing in the rest of Cypress Bay West. One of the most noticeable changes, in my opinion, is going to be the exterior of the homes. Now, of course, this one's a model, so if you're thinking, oh yeah, there's no driveway, well, there's going to be a driveway in your actual home. But one of the things that I was referring to is the exterior color palette of the home. If you've seen DR Horton, you know that traditionally they stick to the greens, the browns, and the yellows. Well, I think based on feedback from people like you and agents like us, they finally listened and they've updated the exterior color palette of the home. They've kind of moved on to a more modern and coastal color palette. All the colors are a lot lighter. I think it really changes the aesthetic of the houses, especially when you drive into the community. Another change they've made is they've started offering stonework. You've got 2 different elevations that you could choose from here. One of those does offer the stonework on the home. And you'll also see that the driveways and sidewalks are all brick paver, and Cypress Bay West has had the traditional red paver color scheme. Well, since they changed the color palette of the home, they've decided to come through, and in the Serenoa community, these are now gonna be a more gray, modern looking paver throughout the community. There are even some interior changes that they've made that the Freedom Series homes are gonna be offering, and in my opinion, they are long overdue, and I'm excited to share them with you. Now, one of the most notable differences on the interior that I noticed when I first came into the Freedom Series homes are the 9'4" ceilings. Typically, DR Horton's been putting in the standard 8-foot ceiling in Cypress Bay West, which I think technically come in somewhere around 8'9". One of the things that I think would have been really nice to see them do, which they didn't do, would be the taller doors. These are going to be standard 7-foot doors, but DR Horton, in my opinion, is still considered a value builder. So we'll talk a little bit more about that as we work our way through the home in regards to what you can expect for the money. Now, keep in mind, this is a model home, so there are some things in here that will be different from the home that you would actually purchase. But let's go ahead and start off in the front of the home. We'll work our way through. I'll give you a tour of the rooms. We'll talk about dimensions and what some of those differences are. So if you've got the floor plan and you want to reference that, this is going to be considered bedroom 2 on that Delray model. Bedroom 2 is going to come in at 12'4" by 11". Now you're going to have the same ceiling height in the bedroom, so when you do come in here, it does feel like it's a larger room. This looks like this is probably a queen size bed for context. You'll notice that all the bedrooms in DR Horton Freedom Series here at Cypress Bay West, they're gonna have a pre-wire for a ceiling fan. They're not gonna come with a light fixture or fan. You are gonna get blinds on all the windows. And then they've done something a little bit different with the closets here. You do have a pull-out closet door, kind of a French door style. It obviously gives it a nice aesthetic. If you guys have seen our videos before, you know I'm not the biggest fan of these doors because I don't think they're as functional in regards to the bedroom. You're gonna hit furniture or you just have to move out of the way. Does get a different look. Let me know what you guys think in the comments on how you feel about that. Bedroom in all of the homes are gonna have carpet in them. You're gonna have a ceramic tile throughout the entire home, the main living space and all the wet areas, but the bedrooms are gonna feature carpet. I know some of you are probably asking, if you don't want carpet in your bedrooms, can you exclude it? The answer is no. The way the homes come is the way they are. The builders have to put carpet in them in order to get that certificate of occupancy. As you come out into this hallway right here, you are gonna have 2 linen closets. They're exactly the same. So 1 linen closet for each bedroom. for this bathroom right here, which we're gonna hit in just a minute. Now this is gonna be considered bedroom 3 on the floor plan. Almost the same as bedroom 2, slightly different. This is gonna come in at 12.4 by 10.10, so it's only a couple inches smaller. Same closet setup, same door setup, pre-wire for your light, blinds in the windows. One of the things I will point out is the air conditioning return vents are actually a jump duct system, so you're not gonna have that ugly cutout above the door. You are gonna have a duct in every room that pulls the air out into the hallway here, so I think it's just a better aesthetic. I think it helps a little bit with sound quality as well. Now the bathroom here is gonna have a quartz countertop. We're gonna talk a little bit more about some of those differences, but the bathrooms are gonna have quartz tops with undermount sinks. You are gonna have a tub shower combo in this front bathroom, and it's gonna have that 3-piece wall enclosure. If you're looking for something with tile on the walls, that's not something that you're gonna find in a DR Horton Freedom Series product, but there is gonna be something a little bit different in the master bathrooms. We'll talk about that. So as you come in here off those front bedrooms, this is gonna be like a little corridor. This door here is gonna take you to that 2-car garage. We're not gonna go in it right now because the builder is actually using that as a center for the superintendents. There's really not a whole lot to see, but you are gonna find the water heater, the hurricane panels, storm panels are gonna be out there, and the Freedom Series does come with garage door openers. I know you think that might sound silly, but if you've been looking at new construction, you probably know a lot of the homes are missing certain things, whether that's appliances, garage door openers, window blinds. So I'll point those out as we go. This door right here, this is gonna be your air handler. So that's in the hallway here. Louvered door just to help with airflow. Then you're gonna have the laundry room right here off the garage. And this room that I'm entering now, this is what they've considered the flex room. So in my opinion, this is really just a 4th bedroom. If it had French doors or maybe no closet, I could see it being a flex room, but it's a 12 by 11 room. So it's basically the same size as the other bedrooms. It's got the full closet here, same door setup, same size closet. So it's really a 4th bedroom in my opinion. But if you want to use it for a flex or an office, that's obviously how they have it set up. It's your prerogative. It's finished exactly the same, but it's truly a 4-bedroom home. So as we're heading to the rest of the house, I want to point out something with the tile. So this house has the traditional like 24-inch ceramic tile. They've changed after they built the models, and they've decided that they're going to start putting a 12 by 24 tile in the rest of the community. So that's gonna be more of a rectangular tile. They're gonna do that staggered lay, a little bit more modern looking, a little bit more consistent with what some of the other builders are doing. So I think the majority of the homes here are gonna offer that. Some of the existing homes that they've already started are gonna have this 24-inch tile. So that's something to take note of. I don't know if you guys have a preference on that. If you do, let me know what you think. Now, this is one of my, I don't wanna say it's one of my favorite features, but I'm kind of a gadget guy, and I think this is pretty cool. So all the electrical switches in the DR Horton homes are gonna have this faceplate that pops off, and I've already worked this one off a little bit just to make it easier for the video, but really you come up to it with a little card or a pocket knife or something, and this pops off. There's no screws in it. And you'll notice the switches have these little buttons on them right here. And the way this works is you pull out this top little button, and you'll notice the lighting just changed. I don't know if you can see that on the wall right there, but that acts as like a breaker for that outlet. So I've pulled this out. It's basically flipped the breaker, and I can pull out the entire switch if I wanted to. And there's no wires in here, so the box is what's actually wired to the electrical, and you can see the switch just has these little connectors on it, and it just pops in there. And I don't know, maybe you're thinking like, well, why does that even matter? Well, it really doesn't, but a lot of people nowadays are into changing switches out, whether it's putting in smart switches, dimmer switches, Bluetooth switches, smart home. There's all types of different things. So if that's something you're into, it's really easy to swap this out. So if I wanted to change this light fixture here and put it on a dimmer, all I have to do is get the dimmer switch, pop it in right here, push it in, and oh, you know what? I probably put it upside down. Let's see if we can figure this out as we go. Pop it back in, push the breaker in. There it goes. So now it's back in there. Switch is on and off. It's a two-way switch, but I thought that was a cool feature. When you're done, take the panel, snaps back on right here. And there you go. You got different switches in here. So I thought that was a cool feature. Let me know what you guys think about that. If you think I'm a nerd, or if you actually think that's kind of cool as well. Let's go through the main living area here. One of the things that I like about the Delray, and I've got a lot of feedback from people as well that they like, is how open this living space is right here. You'll see the kitchen's very open, big island, opens up to your family room, your dining space. So on the floor plan, they list this room that you guys are in right now as the great room, and this is considered the dining area. So the great room is listed at 13.4 by 20 foot 4 inches. And then this dining area right here, they've got listed at 11.8 by 10.11. And then the kitchen's gonna be about a 12.5 by 14. So you've got a ton of space in here. I'm gonna bring you back to the kitchen in a little bit. There's some stuff that I wanna show you there, but we're gonna hit the master suite right here in the back. I'm also gonna tell you about some cool stuff that they've done on the exterior of these homes, aside from what we talked about in the beginning of the video. Now this bedroom is the biggest, obviously, because it's the master bedroom. This is gonna come in at 15 by 17, same high ceilings, nice big windows in the back, plenty of space. This is definitely a king size bed. They've got really good sized nightstands there, a dresser here. You've still got a lot of space. Now, one of the things that I would, you know, if I could change anything, if I could write DR Horton and say, hey guys, make this small change, I think it would make such a big difference, is gonna be this closet setup right here. It's great because you've got the dual closets right here. They're both walk-ins. What I don't like is the way this door setup operates. I don't think it was the best design. It may not be that inconvenient, just the small things that I notice sometimes. I think if they could have pulled this wall out a couple more inches and done maybe a sliding barn door right here, you don't have to worry about door swing. You'd have the barn door hardware, give it a cool aesthetic if you're into that. Let me know what you guys think about that. Let me know if that's something that you think DR Horton should do. Let me know if that's something that you would do if you bought this house. So master bathroom, really big vanity, dual sinks, same quartz that they have in the rest of the house in the bathrooms, undermount sinks, walk-in shower right here, and you've got the water closet. If you've looked at any of the DR Horton stuff in Cypress Bay West or just other parts of Palm Bay, what we're used to seeing is gonna be granite in the kitchens. We're talking about their Heritage Series. It's gonna be granite in the kitchens and then Formica tops in the bathrooms. And even that granite in the kitchen would typically have like a drop-in sink, not an undermount. Well, now in the Freedom Series, they've switched that. They've gone to all quartz tops, kitchen, and bathrooms with undermount sinks. I think that's long overdue. In my opinion, I think that's probably one of the best things that they did to stay competitive with some of the other builders. And you're probably wondering, does that come at a price? Well, it does. There is some variability in price in these homes, but we're gonna talk about that. We're gonna see what that change is. The quartz is actually gonna come in two different options. So typically, we're used to DR Horton just having one countertop, one paint color, one everything for the entire community. Now in here, you're gonna have the two different quartz that you can choose from. They're both gonna be a white quartz. One of the biggest distinctions is gonna be the difference in the veining on the countertops. One of them's got a much more distinct veining than the other. The second one's a lot more subtle. They've also gone to that single mount, or the undermount single tub sink, which I think was a great decision. They're gonna give full appliance packages, stainless steel Whirlpool. They are doing the white subway tile backsplash. The cabinets do have crown molding, and the microwave hood is vented to the outside. You're probably wondering about cabinets. They are not soft close. They do not come with any hardware. Definitely something that you guys could add later. So obviously you are gonna have choices here in Serenoa at Cypress Bay West. It doesn't mean that you're gonna have the option to pick your selections. It just means you're gonna have choices. What I mean by that is everything that we've talked about in regards to selections, the countertops, the tile, that's all pre-selected by DR Horton. You do have the option of which home you pick and which selections it has, but you don't actually have the ability to pick these selections for your home here in Serenoa. Another thing to note is the interior paint colors are all the same. They're all gonna be finished a basic white color. Now, one of my other favorite parts about Cypress Bay West in the Freedom Series are gonna be the lots. As you can see, there's a beautiful water view out back. All of the homes here in Cypress Bay West in the Freedom Series are not going to have direct rear neighbors. They're all either going to be a waterfront lot or a berm view lot. So that's going to give you that extra sense of privacy or that extra lot premium that you would be used to having to pay in other communities. Of course, if you pick a water lot over a berm view lot, I do think there is going to be a difference in price. Now, it's not going to come at the same type of lot premium that I think you're used to seeing in other communities. So let's go ahead and look at what some of those costs are here in Serenoa at Cypress Bay West. The Homeowners Association for Serenoa is going to include all the irrigation, landscaping for the individual home. So the sprinklers, the mowing, the trimming, the lawn fertilization, and the mulch is all part of the HOA dues. Your dues are gonna come in at $155.25 per month. Now, Serenoa does belong to Cypress Bay West, so you are gonna get all the regular amenities that Cypress Bay West offers. Those include the resort style pool, splash pad, the clubhouse with the fitness center, playgrounds, basketball and sports courts. There are going to be pickleball courts here, a palm garden, a vent lawn, and walking trails. There's even going to be a gazebo on one of the lakes. The Master Association for Cypress Bay West is $36.75 per month. So if you want to total those two together, the HOA on a monthly basis for residents in Serenoa at Cypress Bay West is going to come in at $92 per month. Now, you've probably heard that Cypress Bay West has a CDD, and in fact, that is correct. The annual CDD amount for Cypress Bay West is going to be $1,496.20 per year. If we break that down to a monthly cost, that's going to come in at $124.68 per month. Now, that CDD is paid on an annual basis, but if you want to understand all your costs on a monthly basis, it's going to come out to $316.68 per month with the CDD and the HOA. Now, we can get into more about whether CDDs are good or bad. That's not the point of this video, but if you guys do have questions about that and you want to know more, definitely reach out. We can answer those for you, give you a little bit more context on whether it's beneficial for you or not. Now, in regards to buying a home with DR Horton, most of the homes that they're going to offer in their inventory are going to be available within 6 months to homes that are ready to move in now. I've seen crazy incentives recently. Best ones, in my opinion, revolve around interest rates. We're seeing right now the incentives being offered by DR Horton starting at a 4.99% interest rate for a 30-year fixed loan. Now, that's going to be for FHA and VA loans. I've seen a rate of 5.99 offered for conventional. Now, of course, these are going to change all the time. The incentives, the rates, and everything is very dynamic. So make sure you reach out for the most up-to-date information. In regards to closing costs, we're typically seeing those being covered as well as part of the incentives. Depending on the type of loan you're getting, the home, your closing costs are going to vary, but we are seeing those being covered in most cases. Now, don't forget, there are some additional benefits that we offer exclusively. So if you guys want to take advantage of those as well, we'll tell you more about that when you guys reach out. Now, pricing on the Delray here in Serenoa, I've seen the Delrays right now starting at $369,000, ranging up to $385,000. Now, the biggest discrepancy in price is going to depend on the finishes that were pre-selected for the home, that front elevation, whether or not it has the stonework or not, and then of course whether or not it is a water or a berm lot. Now, I anticipate that prices will have a slight increase in the near future. Usually in the first phase of a community, the builders are more motivated to sell product because now they've set a new price standard. So I would think that maybe in the next month or two, after they've sold about 6 to 12 homes, we will see a small price increase. Now, if you guys want to know more about Cypress Bay West, now make sure you guys check out these other videos right here if you want to learn more, and we'll see you next time.